review, we're reviewing factoring trinomials as a quick review. So if I look at it generically, so A, B, and C are numbers. What we're trying to do is find two numbers that multiply to C and the same two numbers add to B. So D plus E should equal this, and D times E should equal this. So and then our answers would be that. Those two numbers that we come up with. All right, maybe that helped or not, but here we go. Let's practice. So I'm going to give you each scenario and see how you do. So x squared plus 7x plus 12. So two numbers that multiply to 12 and the same two numbers add to 7. I have to know my times tables. Those two numbers are 3 and 4. So then I go x plus 3, then I go x plus 4, and I did it. Let's try another one. So x squared plus 5x minus 14. Because 14 is negative, we are subtracting. So first I think, what two numbers multiply to 14? If you have to, we'll write these down. Those are the only pairs that work. Of these two, which one subtracts to 5? Write them down. And because it's negative and this is positive, the larger number is going to be positive and the smaller number is going to be negative, and you have your two factors. X squared minus 2x, subtract 80. So we have negative 80 and negative 2. We are subtracting. So I need to know two numbers that multiply to 80. So we can try to go through a list, but I want to stop at that list. I missed 5 and 14. But which is the one, the two, that subtract to 2, right? That's the one I want to zone in on. Because 2 is negative, the bigger number is negative, and the smaller number is positive. And so you have negative 10 and positive 8. Last one. Practice with me. What happens if we have a negative and a positive? So we have a negative and a positive. So in this case, both numbers are going to be negative. And what two numbers multiply to 15? And again, we're adding to 8. And so there's only two pairs to worry about, right? 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 8, and they both are negative. And that's it. All right, good luck on the quiz, all right? I hope that review helped. Mr. G Math, over now.